Hello, everyone. Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. Uh, Making this video about yen index and yen pairs and trades taken in yen pairs, right? How that works, and especially with my entry system. Yes. So let's get started. This is a chart, yen index 20-minute chart I made on February 1st, right? It's on my website already. All these charts that I'm going to show in this video are already on the website as they happen. I post them on that. So February 1st, I made this chart and I wrote down here, so look, bad pattern has a specific calculation, right? And I said, if this thing is going to go up, all yen pairs will go up, right? So this thing is going to go up. How far, who knows, right? But the idea was the pattern is finished and it's going to react and it's going to go to the upside. The price is going to go to the upside, and doing so, yen is going to get weaker and all yen pair will be going to the upside. Now, what happened to this chart when it started to go up as of today, which is 26th February. So in the 1st February to 26th February, 25 days, right? 26 days, 25 days, whatever. So let's see where this chart is right now. Let me show it to you. It is right now this. So I made this pattern as X, A, B, C, D. I marked this, it's like the same pattern here, right? I moved the chart a little bit here so that I can show you the reaction of it. So this thing started to go up, 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 dip, and then after that, straight all the way here. Today, I recorded this chart here, right? So again, the idea was what? This thing is going to go up, then yen is going to get weaker, and all yen pair will be going to the upside, right? I have written there on that chart here, all yen pairs will go up when this thing start to go up from 88% mark here, right? And you can see that this chart is, it started to go from 88%, right? 50%, 11, 88, the bad pattern is finished, and this thing start to go up, yen start to get weaker, and all yen pair went up. Let's see how I did it and how many trades I have when the yen pairs start to go up, and we're looking for long trades in yen pairs, right? So, and starting from February 1st, right? So let's say the first trade that I took was February 2nd, right? The game started the next day. Yen index start to move to the upside, and all yen pairs started to move, right? So on the 2nd, I got pound yen 7-minute chart, 55 pip to the long side. You can see on the left-hand side, you will see my buy order, SL move to break even plus, and all the trades taken with my setup. My setup requires 4 conditions. Until I have these 4 conditions, I do not open the trade. And most of these trades are opened by my EA robot automatically. Even if I'm sleeping, the robot will open the trade if the conditions are met and place the SL and TP and all of that, right? So it's automated robot. It's available on my website as well. So now this is the first trade on the February 2nd, pound yen 7 from the 7-minute chart, entry chart, 55 pip. The second one, February 2nd, USD yen 190 pip. You can see there was a bearish, and all of a sudden, boom, boom, setup was there. My EA opened the trade and it's gone with the win. 190 pip. On the February 7th, pound yen again, beautiful from 20-minute chart, nice entry, 90 pip, buy orders right there. On the 7th, euro yen, again, long. Everything is long and all yen pairs, only I'm showing you, nothing else. I had other trades, but I'm just showing you that because of that yen index, bad pattern, bullish bad pattern, that's what happened. So many trades that I got from yen pairs. So 65 pip on euro yen on the 7th. Here on the 8th, USD yen, again, beautiful long entry, buy orders right there, 120 pip. On the 8th, pound yen again start to go up. The price goes up, then it retraces, right? So it went up, it retraced, boom, 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 and then again bullish. And I'm taking long only because the yen is keep going to the upside. Here, euro yen on the 7-minute from on the 800 pip. Beautiful entry here, buy entry, right? And then on the 8th, CAD yen also coming into play. All yen pairs, right? Only franc yen, I don't even watch that, so forget about that. and New Zealand. I don't trade those two pairs, right? Enough is enough, right? Too many, five of them, 5 or 6 I trade. So Euro Yen, ninth on the 960 pip buy orders right there. All buy. Pound Yen on the 965 pip buy orders right there. Buy the book entry. You see the small yellow, arrow there and the yellow mark within that right there. This is a sign that it was open automatically with my ear. 7-minute live. So this is the robot that opens the trade once the conditions are met. Aussie Yen on the from 7-minute chart on the 9th, beautiful by the book entry, gone, 50 pip. USD Yen 160 pip on 13th. This week only, this is the only Yen trade I had is USD Yen, and it was because of the USD, by the way. USD got stronger, very, very strong after the news, and this went up, right? Other than that, all yen pair were retracing because the previous week they went up all the time, all of them, and then they start to retrace. So when they were retracing, I says I'm not going to touch them until the retracement is finished, and then they start to go up again, and then I will start my game again. On the 21st, pound yen again, see after the retracement, it start to go up, this entry, and then 100 pip here from the 20-minute chart, and it is on the 21st. Then 22nd, again, pound yen, beautiful entry of the trade opened by the EA, and 105 pip here. And this one on the 23rd, pound yen again from 20-minute chart, beautiful entry, 90 pip, right? So these are the few trades, and actually today also I had the trade, and I think it's on my desktop. I don't have, I couldn't add this in here. Let me see if I can, is it here? No, it's on the other computer. It's on the other computer. So today I close another trade, and I will post later on. So pound yen. So far, like 15, 16 trades within these 24 days from February 1st when I made the bad pattern, and I said that this thing, right? And it's going to go up. Now, I'm in the making right now, making a harmonic pattern course, right? Video course, probably like 10, 12, patterns, videos, explaining everything, that what is bad, what's Girdley, what's Bartley, what is, butterfly, and all of that crap pattern, right? And how you trade them using my strategy for all of these trades that you just saw. This is back on this small chart, and how you find these patterns, where you find these patterns. And these are, not only these Renko candles, you can find this pattern on a regular candle. For example, the same pattern was on the 4-hour chart, which was this. You see that? But this chart I made in terms of Elliott wave, right? So where was that pattern? The pattern was here, from here, here. This is 50%, this is 23%, and this is all the way to 88%, and start to go for wave 5, and we are already here now, just now. Let me show you that chart as well. What happened to this pattern? I marked the pattern here. See this? X, A, B, C, D. It's a yen index 4-hour chart. And when I made it was here, that is going to go for wave 5. This was wave 4 ending here, and then wave 5 all the way here, right? So Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, they go side by side. So you can just, one chart, you can, any like pair or on a time frame, you can count the Elliott wave, as well as you can find the harmonic patterns are building there as well, building and playing out, both happening at the same time. So currently I'm making our course, right? I'll soon put on the website, very cheap, and it will explain all about the Fibonacci tools, how to use it, how to fix it, how to use properly, like retracement, extension, expansion, to measure these patterns and find the targets, right? Extensions and targets. And also all, explaining all these patterns, not all, but, the major one, enough to make your trading profitable, right? And then after that, later on, I'll make another course about the Elliott wave, right? So, so just wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, I saw this pattern, I saw the reaction, all of that. I says, oh, wow. So let me just make a video and show you that, this is how systematic things happens if you learn and if you follow the system. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these setups and trades and videos on time, right? So bye for now and talk to you guys later.